Hi all you cool cats and kittens. So this is FP Nickel Corp. Market cap $161 million Canadian, or you could invest this to USD 125 million, and then they have a mine that's has an NPV, net present value, of 1.7 billion. So divide by 13, it's 13 times bigger than their market cap. So go around and compare this to other stocks, and plus you got to add in things I'm going to add in later in this video, and you'll see that this is quite a good buy, and it's got double upside, which I'll explain right now. So we look here. Baptiste project, 1.7 billion after tax, NPV, 39-year mine life. So we're just comparing the market cap to this NPV for the Baptiste project. Though if you look here, and if you watch interviews from the CEO of this FPX company, that's the Baptiste deposit, and then they've got this thing which looks just as promising after they've done their surface samples as this one. So they draw this out, and maybe they have another one of these in their hands. So this is already a good buy just for this, and then they could uncover this beast, which could add a lot of value to this company. And if you didn't know, nickel, 5% of nickel goes to the battery market, electric vehicles. That's probably why you're watching this video, for electric vehicles. So 5%, and it looks to grow to about 20 to 25% of the nickel. So there's a good growth there from nickel there. And then you got to note, nickel goes in big cycles. So yeah, this is 2007. It went crazy. $50,000 a ton. So right now it's sitting around the average. So you could have bought a couple of years ago into this. Well, you'd have to be selling nickel stocks. Bought here, wait a couple of years for a turnaround. See, probably the longer it stays on this line, the more it's going to shoot up, and then it's probably not going to stay above this line very long, etc., etc. Buy low, sell high. So anyway, the nickel price, $18,000 a ton, and their cost to mine it, $6,000 per ton. So I think it's operating costs. Obviously they have to pay to set up the mine as well. So do your own research on this. Though this shows you in the NPV that the end of the mine, you're going to be left with $1.7 billion after tax, and it's got the chance of doubling with this van target. So to see what else I might have left out. Also, we're going green for electric vehicles. The reason we're going to electric vehicles is to go green. So this plant will be run off hydroelectricity, the cheapest electricity there is. 5 cents a kilowatt from hydropower. Remains the lowest cost source of electricity worldwide according to a recent report. And I'm pretty sure nothing comes close. Clean energy. The sun evaporates that water. It rains down, goes through a turbine, spins it around. The magnetic thing pulls the current back and forth in the wires. You know how it goes. Okay, so back here. Okay, so even better for this company. The car's nickel is found in a mineral called this thing here. I don't know how to say that. Is dense, highly magnetic nickel iron alloy, which is commonly referred to as naturally occurring stainless steel. Physical properties make it perfect for conventional processing and extraction techniques such as grinding, magnetic separation, and gravity concentration. So if you look into it further, this doesn't require smelting. So smelting is heating it up and mixing chemicals to get the chemical you want out. So that's why it's even another plus for these guys. Here we are. That was all their nickel contained. Annual production. So you times that by 18,000. That's probably their things. Not sure if there's cobalt in there. Another reason everyone's going to nickel, and there's a growth in there, is because we're getting less cobalt and more nickel. So this is the battery, the NMC811. The reason why we're going to this, because it's kilograms to power or kilowatt hours is good, And cobalt, $50,000 a ton for cobalt. $50,000. So they're reducing the cobalt to reduce the costs, adding more nickel, and also another thing, anyone investing in lithium, lithium carbonate doesn't go well with the NMC 811, which is where everyone's going to. So you need lithium hydroxide, and lithium hydroxide best comes from hard rock spodumene concentrate. You can get it from carbonate, doing a process, turn the carbonate to hydroxide, but the cheapest way is from hard rock mining. So take that note, all lithium investors. So what else can I say? I might shut this down now. Capacity. Yeah, just stay with me. I might be able to get one more good fact in this company. Another thing interesting. The report came out here on the 11th, so must have been a weekend, but there would have been insider trading. So this guy said, "Ooh, I'm adding these numbers up, and this looks good. I might buy in. Frank, I'm buying into this company. I think it's gonna go up. Buy in now. Didn't hear it from me." And Frank, everyone tells everyone secretly they buy in. News comes out. They've already made a lot of money before the news came out, and they sell out. And then all the other investors who didn't know, like me, buy in because it's still a good deal with upside. And they realize this. This is all just my opinion, so do your own research. I've actually bought in, so I'm putting my money where my mouth is. I think I bought in about 5% of my entire portfolio, and it's just going to be a hold. And if we have this again, definitely selling out. So if the nickel price goes quite high, I might say to myself, no, over 25,000, why not sell out of this company, take profit, and wait for just find something else. So that's it from me. If anyone can find a better mining EV play than this one, please let me know. I haven't looked in to CNC Canadian nickel, though I believe this is still better. So if you can find something better than this, where the NPV is 13 times the market cap, and it has a double upside of uncovering more minerals, so it's got something in the bag, something they could add to it, likely, and long mine life already, low cost, the list goes on. So anyone can find something better than this, please let me know. In the comments below, like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.